Right, so Josiah's pretty sad about leaving Waiuku today. He's been telling me about it. Elijah isn't sad, he reckons. He was tearing up because a bug was in his eye, eh? Yeah, so mixed emotions. We will be back in a couple of weeks to see Marcel's parents and then stay out somewhere close by Waiuku to catch up with some friends before we head south after our Northland trip. But yeah, bit sad about leaving, aren't we, kiddies?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm not.
They're off. Your wife?
So we've come to Activate Church in Papakura to say goodbye to people here.
Yeah, sort of over here, right? Yeah,
Proper bro hug.
and it keeps the jump to a minimum. Hey, it saves it accumulates.
So we are at Bruce Pullman Park where we came a few weeks ago for Summer's birthday, and we're just going to go check into reception. We've paid online, so we're going to stay here for one night and then go to Auckland Zoo tomorrow if the weather holds out.
Oh, the weather's supposed to be mint-test tomorrow.
Oh good. We might need to write a wee checklist of things to do with the truck and stuff, because Marcel just ran over the number plate. Whoopsies.
So Mom's taking Diesel for a walk on the duck pond. So stay here for one night. It's only $10.
Yeah, and there's a dump station just over there.
Yeah, over there.
Dump station. Oh, it's a bit windy. So you're actually not allowed dogs here. We thought you were because we've seen people walk dogs around here. But Marcel rang reception, and they said we can have him here as long as we take him over this way for the toilet and clean up after him, obviously. So windy.
So this is Scott, he's come to check out Beast.
Are you in a motorhome over there?
We are in that little one just behind us.
Oh yeah, with the bikes on the back?
Sorry?
With the bikes on the back?
With the bikes
yeah,
on the back. Yeah.
Cool, so he has come in.
Yeah. So I'm admiring yours, and it's just a fabulous piece of work.
It is, yeah.
The main.
I was expecting it to be really loud here last night, just with the road and being in Auckland, but it was actually really quiet and nice. They locked the gates. I think they opened at 7 AM, but the gates got locked and everyone left in their cars. I think a couple of people got locked in though, because we heard cars driving around with some music. Yeah, we're leaving Bruce Pullman Park and heading to the zoo. It's a beautiful day and we're gonna have fun.
So the kids are somewhat excited about being at the zoo. We've been promising this for a while, but we finally get to do it. So.
Where did you come from? Where are they? Summer! Summer! Let's go into the zoo! Quick, quick, go! Oh my god!
How does she can see them?
Oh, what's that?
Oh, Simone! Those are zebras. The persons are feeding the zebras.
Over the corner. Elijah, look at me.
Oh, we can go now.
Hello, buddies. Right, so we've just left the zoo and we're going to find somewhere to fill up to spend a small fortune on diesel and then leave Auckland. Woohoo!
So I have to keep on going back and forwards to fill it properly because the two tanks are linked, so they self-level. So you fill up one, but it's leveling out into the other one.
Is that your phone?
Yeah.
So, yeah. So we've arrived at a Parkover property. Don't know where we are. Oh, I'll figure it out later and put it on the screen. But yeah, I like misread the map and totally overshot the driveway, and we ended up having to go way up the road and find a town, a school bus turnaround area to turn around at. And this guy over here is moving for us because in the photos it looked a bit bigger, this area for the beast. So I was just asked this guy to leave, to leave. Yeah, get out of here. He's asked this guy to move so that we can actually park over there.
We're going to do it early?
We're going to go to the Parakai hot pools first, and then we'll come back here and do school, and then we're going to drive somewhere just south of Whangarei and find either Freedom Camping or Parkover property to stay at. I've found 3 possible places we could stay, so I'll ring around. Marcel's out walking the doggy, and yeah, it was a peaceful sleep here last night. That road though, like I'm like, yes, we've left Auckland, and then we've got Auckland rush hour traffic beside the property. It was pretty loud this morning, but you know, is what it is.
Okay, so we used to jump on this when we were kids at Parakai hot pools. We're about to go down the slide, eh, JJ? You want Daddy to go first, or you go first, huh? You want to go first? Okay, go. Woo! Okay, so you're going to ride with JJ this time?
Cool, so we had heaps of fun at Parakai. We're just leaving this park over property now. And I'm eating a fruit burst. And we're going to go find a freedom camping spot in Waiuku, just on the other side of the Brinduans. So we're going to go over the Brinduans, which is where we caught fire in our last motorhome, Bertha. About 10 o'clock at night, we smelled smoke and we thought it was the fires up in Northland, and then we realised it was really strong. It was actually, I'd turned around, it was billowing up from the back of the camper, and we found a place to pull over and got the kids out and fire extinguished out the flames, and then had to just wait on the side of the road for about an hour until someone stopped and helped us. Off you go. So yeah, we ended up at the Waiuku rugby field or something, and then Marcel assessed the damage the next day. But yeah, it's always a bit nerve-wracking when you smell smoke, because I'm always like, is it beast? This is where we stopped and Marcel put out the fire. This is where we parked the night Bertha caught fire, and we waited here till daylight to see what kind of damage had been done. We were hoping we could stay at the park over property there, but there's no dogs allowed, so we're going to go further towards Whangarei and find somewhere else. Marcel heard a bit of a loud crunch when we came around the corner to turn around. Yeah. So you're going to replace that because it's real bad, eh? Right, so we were going to try to park here for the night, but as you can see there's no room for us with our trailer. And this lady, we were turning around at the cul-de-sac there, and this lady just stopped in her car and offered us somewhere to park for the night. So we're following her now around to her place. So random, eh? The boat ramp, isn't this another car park? Yeah, this is another freedom camping spot. So we could fit there. Oh, let's go hang out with the locals. So these people down here have like their own canal, and they just park their boat outside their house. It's pretty cool.
Mate, that's epic as.
What's her name?
You're Kathleen. Sweet, I'm Marcel.
Kathleen. So yeah, this lady here saw us looking for somewhere to park and just let us come and stay here.
So what we'll do when we'll get the car off the trailer, we'll manoeuvre the trailer around by hand so we can push it back this way, so then for getting out I'll back out.
Oh right, and then
I'll
back up to the trailer.
The trailer.
Cool.
I need a stone.
Good idea.
And so that's the first thing, get the car off and we'll
Manoeuvre the trailer around.
yeah.
Awesome.